everybody, it's Stephanie from Soothsay Steva. Today I have this great little bike repair tool from Lemo. This is a really cool little guy. He has all kinds of tools on him, like little Allen wrenches and different sizes. And even sockets, screwdrivers, flathead, and Phillips. So you have just about everything you might need here for your repairing a bicycle. This is such a great thing to have on hand when you're out, especially if you're out biking on the road. You'll definitely want to have this with you. Just stick it in your backpack or whatever, and take it right along with you when you're out biking. It's just a really great little tool, and there's even more wrenches and things. So it's a really great little product. You can check out the full review and more information in the comments of this video.